PSL Pulse bafethu is the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0 Sikhukhune 0. Mfethu ngicela ungitshele igama bani ngapha.
Obolala mphoka green side ka.
Kuyabona abutwaka olibhakane yakho Pharebe wakhe mafanda khibone jwang.
Game ya fanda ngiboni right. The only thing you learn is realize is your Pirates, especially coach Aro Tanjiabe, Avula check. Wabana relevable move again. Are moving in position 10. Relevable move again. Either game starter position 10. Askaba Gisanal move. Mfano Salo Munyani. From that position I gain experience change. And for today, I don't think we'll be bad. Rasha personal game je buyer for recover that draw Rabashap. And I don't want to talk about the game in end. So like the only thing in Nagi need coach Lena. That thing you lay Ginago Thomas logo we second half. It or that. This thing which look every game it's a final. Regardless second round no. I want. And it's Kuku Nitor Nyaja. Each 4 point more Pirates. That thing it's highly impossible. Pirates get la cool.
Exactly.
This one Nailo Arena, Nailo Arena, 90% arena. But one never low another. Nailova. Why Lola Mahuna? Unfortunately, our forever. One of the things are needament again. Truly speaking, Ratangwana says, Ratambutu, Maranida number 9, a prolific number 9. Mutolo Rene, guys.
Orlando Pirates just loaned out Utero Mabasa. Do you think they made a mistake? Kaulo Mabasa.
No. I think we are like Nane. Only point Rene, Agamu miss Mara, somehow we miss it because Wabona finishing move Mabasa is the best master Garga Pirates. Mara Gara and whatever fitness is Asha. So now I prefer our Pirates. I enjoy. It's a striker or else for no player journal John. I know it's better fake Dijon one or fake Dijon false 9. Dijon has experience and one of the good things in India striker has got 2 goals. 2 goals.
All right, in closing, man of the match for today.
Man of the match, cool, calm and collected. Let's honor very much.